Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Dear colleagues, this is a female young patient complaint of pain in the right iliac fossa, off and on, lasting for the last 2 years. Now she has intense pain for the last 3 or 4 days. Now I'm scanning the right iliac fossa region. Here we can see that this is the appendix. This one is the appendix, and we can see that this is the base of the appendix. This is the appendix proximal portion, and if we slowly move towards the cecal region, this is the base of the appendix inserting into the medial aspect of, this is the cecum, medial aspect of cecum. We can clearly appreciate, and we can see that this appendix is surrounded by the fluid, free fluid, and these are the gut loops. This one is the gut loop, this is the omentum, and this one, and this one. These are the gut loop. So it is surrounded by the small bowel loops and omentum. Here again I am going to show you how it is inserting along the medial aspect of the cecum. This is the cecum, and this one is inserting. So now we follow. Here we can see that walls of the appendix are intact here, but when we go to the mid portion, here wall is disrupted. Here we can appreciate this one, wall is disrupted. So here is the leakage of the appendix. Appendix is perforated at this level, and now we see that, look at the contour of the appendix, which is irregular. This is irregular contour of the, here it is intact, wall are intact, and when we go downward at this level, it is disrupted, perforation is here, and it is here irregular in shape, contour abnormality is here, and is surrounded by the fluid. So this was the likely case of appendicitis with perforation, as well as now this has become the appendicular mass surrounded by the omentum and bowel loops. This is the bowel loops. So this was interesting case, how we can see the perforated appendix surrounded by the fluid and small bowel loops and omentum. Contour abnormality, perforated area, intact appendix, proximal appendix. Insertion into the medial aspect of cecum. This is cecum. Thank you very much.